Okay, hello everyone. Now it's going to be the first time I connect this Waters LT Model 1 Plus through this cable to the bustless card in the computer that runs Windows 2000 and use this machine using the software Millenium 32 version number 4. So the first thing that we have to do, as you have seen in previous videos, is to operate method setup? No. Okay, is to give control, external V.4 control, give this to this machine, so it is not using an internal system control, okay? I told you in previous videos how to do that, so once you get it, I'm gonna press return. Once you get it, it says that it will output all the signals through the cable to the bustless card to the computer, okay? So we can run it now, if everything goes well, using the Millenium software. So the first thing that we have to do here is to run Millenium software. I cannot, okay, I'm not going to minimize. This is the first window that appears once you open. I think I cannot, well, you see here, this, I run, and this appears in here, okay? I previously have activated it, so it logs in straight. I have to do anything else. So this is the first window, and in the first window I press this run samples. That's the first thing that I have done, and once I do this, it takes me to this screen, okay? In here, I went to acquisition servers, and it appears the name of the machine. I don't know if I have previously labeled it, but I don't think it's so. And in here, I press right click and then properties. It's gonna take a while, like 5 minutes or so, and after that, it will appear this in here. First, this is connected through a PCI bustless. Okay, this is my card. Put it OK, perfect. This is the name that we put to the acquisition server. And serial card, nothing. Okay, and this is the most important part of everything, to check if the system is recognized by the software. In instruments, they should appear all the instruments that we have on our LC Model 1 Plus Waters. Okay, the first one, this ZQ2000, I have, once I installed this software, it appears an option to install the ZQ module, but I press OK, install it, but in fact I have not used it. I mean, that's something for masses or gas chromatography or something like that. I just put it like a default, but in fact I'm not using this module, so I could press and take it away. Maybe it's going to be the easier. Yes, please remove it. Okay, that shouldn't appear there. So what do we have here? The 4 things that we have in our model. Well, in our model and our external detector. This is the external detector, okay? One of these should be the pump, another one should be the injector. I don't know which is the number of it, and the other one should be the internal detector, I guess. It's like internal detector, pump, and injector. We have a problem once we run this module using not Millenium but Power, Empower version 1, it didn't recognize the injector model. So it appears only 3 models in here. So we have that problem. We can run everything, but not the injection. And we can try to inject the sample using the pumping purging system. But hey, we want to do, we want to have the whole thing set up. So, and because we want to know if it works or not. So we went back to this Millenium, to Windows 2000 instead of XP, that it was modern, more modern, let's say. And now, yeah, it recognizes everything. That's quite good. So let's go here, none, access, anything. And that's the best thing that we can do. Okay, so accept. This is updating because I remove the other model. And in here, I should do new chromatographic system, and everything appears in here. This model, it shouldn't appear. It's something that I already installed, but as I told you, okay. It shouldn't, I'm not going to use it because I don't have that module, but I do have this for one. So I can pick and drop to this new one. And it's quite great because it appears here the symbols, and as you can see, this should be the internal lamp. Those are the pumping system, and this is the injection system. And the last one, this is the external model, the 996 PDA. Photodiode array, okay? I have already connected and disconnected the internal, but hey, my new system, it should appear, just in case, if I move from one to another. So let's press next. Let's say, well, I don't have this connected to other servers or anything, so let's press owner only. Owner and groups, no, owner only. Yeah, let's press next. System name, let's put HPLC, and my name. I don't know why online or offline, have no idea. Have no idea if I have to press this or not. I'm not going to push it. And end. Online, no. Okay. Okay. So let's move to libraries, maybe. What's going in here? Import libraries. No. I have the system. Let's system properties. Okay, configuration and access. Okay, so I can change everything. If I have done anything, let's put online. Okay, whatever. I think this is not useful, so I'm going to take it out. This, okay, no, general, offline. Okay, so now that we have the system, and again, we can go properties. We have all set up. Let's try to use it to check if we can inject from here, from the computer, and see how it works. At least we have it connected. So let's move to another video.